When you're folding origami tessellations twist by twist, the first three shapes that you put in don't necessarily determine the rest of the pattern. So there's a lot of space to make more choices, to have way more tessellation designs than anyone thought was possible a few years ago. So starting in the center, we have a closed hexagon, closed rhombus, and then there's a closed triangle on the back there, taking in these pleats. And then I go out and I use a different hexagon. This is nuts. And this weird long notched shape, that's a hybrid rhombus twist. So I change which positions the symmetry points are applied to. So instead of 6-fold, 2-fold, 3-fold, and everything is set from here on out, I'm like, okay, 6-fold. Let's put the 2-fold out here and the 3-fold out here and have fun with it.